At what point of the sun's death will life on Earth no longer be viable? I've read that the sun will turn into a red giant in about 5 billion years. My question is, how long will it take from the start of the process I know it's vague until life on Earth can no longer be supported? Does it have a slow or fast impact on the planet? Will it be even before that when the sun starts burning helium? Most life on Earth will be extinct long before the sun becomes a red giant some 4-5 billion years from now. While the sun remains a main sequence dwarf until then, it is gradually brightening by one every 100 million years. While different models predict different timelines, somewhere between 700 million years and 1.5 billion years, the surface of the Earth will be too warm for liquid water to exist, leaving a parched and likely sterile surface. Some subterranean life may persist, either some current extremophiles or their distant descendants shaped by a billion more years of evolution. Do you mean any life? Earth has microbial life deep in the crust that live by eating minerals in rocks. I would imagine life like this would be hard to kill without widespread destruction of the crust. Technically, in this case, extremophiles probably will exist on Earth right up until it's completely destroyed by the sun. The sun gets stronger with time as part of its normal development. As the sun warms the Earth, in about 1 billion years Earth's oceans will boil away. And that is a little more than halfway through the sun's life. The sun's size remains pretty consistent due to a balance between gravity and the energy output of fusion. So long as it is consuming hydrogen, this balance stays in place. Once it has to switch to helium, the balance will be broken and there will be a rapid change in its size. The thing is, the sun isn't dying. It will expand into a red giant, burn all the hydrogen helium, and then contract into a white dwarf that can live for a very long time. Bad news is, in about 2 billion years the surface of Earth might be like Mercury's. Hopefully, by then, humanity is a Type 2 civilization, so it won't matter too much.